Finally got some time to hook up the display, the replacement, after replacement, trying to get this to focus. The issue is still there. Basically it's the same, and I'm just gonna take you through a few tests. Got the display, going to turn it on, and straight away you can hear the buzzing. The display is on. Straight away you can hear the buzzing, and the smell is still there. It's just crazy. I'm going to put it up to the screen so you can. It's like it's cooking or something. Still the exact same way that it was collected in. The strange thing is, though having never had such a problem with this display or any other display or any of the other two displays, they've never had this sort of issue. I was told the power supply board was the cause of the problem. That's the feedback I got when I sent it away before. I was told that the power supply board was causing the burning smell and the hissing and the buzzing. Even though I've never had that problem, and that was not the case when I sent it in. These two certainly don't have that issue, and I'm gonna go through a test to show that with the rest of them as well. That the reason the power supply board was now faulty is as a result of having the panel changed. A brand new panel would cause the original power supply board to malfunction or to fail. Well, that was the reason I was given, that the power supply board, if you can hear the buzzing, it's just so annoying. I mean, it's just constant, it's just there. I'm going to hold it close. It's just... yeah, hopefully you can pick up the sound. It's like static, like a hissing and a buzzing sound. It's just really annoying. And the smell from it is just toxic. Wow, it's really... oh my goodness, the smell is really bad. There is no way I would leave this plugged in. Just absolutely no way. Wow. Every time it comes on, so does the hissing. Yeah, you can hear it. It's coming from the screen. It's just constant, and I've noticed that it's just really going wild now. It's just non-stop now. If you can hear it. This is standing at a distance, maybe like a foot away. It's just constantly buzzing now. My computer is turned off, and it's just there. It's just... oh wow, oh my goodness. Yep, there's smoke coming out of the screen. I mean, at the top of the panel, there's smoke. Yeah, there's smoke now coming out of the top of the panel. Oh man. Something is really burning. I just can't leave this turned on any longer. Yep, it's heating up. You can see it heating up. What the hell? Surface, because you can't see it. Let me hold a black background so you can see what's going. Look at this. This is mental. There's no way I'm going to leave this turned on, because the whole house could just... shit. Yeah, had to unplug it because it was getting really bad. Now, when I hold up a black background, then you can really see the fumes that are coming out of this thing. It's like a really toxic smell. I'm gonna have to call them again and let them know what's going on. Mind you, they said my original power supply board. Let me just zoom out. They said my original power supply board was the problem. And, my original power supply board was the problem, and it was replaced. And that's the amount paid for a new power board. Personally, I don't feel there was anything wrong with my original power board. I just think the real issue was with the display, the actual replaced display. Yeah, because the second screen that they initially gave me had no issue with smoke coming out the screen or buzzing like that. There was no issue like that, which means my power board was perfectly fine. So it's this new display that's in there that's faulty, that is a problem. But they've gone and they're basically giving me the same thing I sent away, and then they've come up with this for power supply board. Wow, unbelievable. More tests to come. The room is just absolute toxic smell in the room now. Right, I would like to keep filming, but I just can't leave it on for too long because the smell is just that bad. It's just choking. It's like a really choking smell, and you can hear every time the screen comes on, you just hear the buzzing if you listen closely. Every time, it's just constantly there, and it's... Oh, there goes the smoke again. Just a constant hissing. It's really, really bad. Really bad. Wow, it's really going off now. It's really going off. It's really going off. Really going off. I just don't understand how you can send this to a customer of yours. Wow. Right, I've now got my computer turned on, and as you can see, the date is 18th of March. You can still hear the buzzing, the smell is still there, and the hissing. You can still hear it, buzzing noise. Here is what I noticed as well. As you go into the menu, I'm using the remote. Once you go into the menu and you go to the brightness, if you listen closely, the further down you turn the brightness, yeah, and the buzzing disappears, but you get a slight smoke. You still get the slight fumes and stuff. The smell is still there, but when you turn up the brightness, I'm not sure how to do this so you can hear it and see it at the same time, but when you turn up the brightness, yep, you can hear it coming back. This is at 60% brightness. You can hear it coming back, and then we'll turn it up some more. 77. Now you can hear it again. And then if you go to 81, yeah, it's definitely there now. You can hear it clearly. And then the dreaded, oh man, 100. Now it's literally frying. Now it's literally frying, and just can't have this turned on. There's no way I'm going to leave this turned on. I'm just worried, like, come back home and the whole house is on fire just because of one dodgy display repair work. Definitely going to unplug it, just not going to leave it turned on. Let's see, and if I open document, I've opened a document, and as you can see, that mark is still there. It's definitely still there, as if the screen has burned it in. It's like, it's hard to explain. I think it's like one of the pixels is burnt up or something. I don't know. It's definitely burnt up. It's not dust. It's not, I can't even. It's not dust. It's none of that. And the buzzing, yeah, I have to turn it off. The smell is getting really bad now. Need to turn it off. The smell is definitely getting really bad. As you can hear the buzzing. Going to contact Samuel King again. Wow. Wow. There is no way my original power board was the issue. Just no way. Absolutely no way. From perfectly fine to all of this. And my initial issue with my original panels, which I need to collect, was just a brown tint. It was just a brown tint. Everything else works perfectly fine.